Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a Twitter feed to a WordPress site without a plugin. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the WordPress homepage. At the top right corner, click the Login button and sign in. In the dashboard, go to the Quick Links section and click Edit Site. This opens the site editor where you can make changes to your website. Once inside, click the plus icon in the top left corner to open the block library. In the search bar, type Twitter Embed. From the results, select the Twitter Embed block and add it to your page. Now, paste your Twitter profile URL into the field provided and click Embed. WordPress will automatically fetch and display your live Twitter feed on the site. Finally, click the Save button in the top right corner to apply your changes. So that's basically how you can add a Twitter feed to a WordPress site without a plugin. That's it for this video. Thanks.